What's up, everybody? Welcome to Woodstocks. Alright people, as you can see, I'm over at Woodstocks. He invaded the channel because he's gonna help me out today. As you know, I've been alluding to having two of everything, and the two transmissions I got are both open diff, and Zach's gonna help me out today by welding the diff on the Prelude trans, and we're just gonna freaking have fun with it. Wow. Looks tremendously better already. But alright, so right now I'm going to start with just pulling this off. I'm going to take off these 10 mils that are holding this in place, and we're going to see what's inside there. Okay, so the bottom popped. Excellent. Alright, so that's what it looks like inside that cover. Dude, it actually looks incredible in there. Alright. We need that thinger. And then we can pull it out.
Yep, slide that out.
Yep. There we go. Alright, so like Zach was saying, we still got to take off all the casing bolts all the way around. And then he was saying this 14 mil that's right in here on the back side. And then we got to take this plug out. What was that for again?
There's a C-clip.
C-clip.
Locks the main shaft bearing in place.
Yep, what is that? You said those are 12 mils going around?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
The struggle looks more authentic.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing, but it don't look like it, you know. Just like all you guys, you know. Yeah. Alright. So down in here we got our snap ring. Got it spread open. And it's already starting to let the bearing and shaft slide. So now we can get our casing moved up.
Awesome. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh. It wants to come.
That side?
Yep.
We're going to slowly slide her up. All the way. When you're pulling it apart, a lot of times, if you're not careful, you need to pay attention to how this ring lines up in here.
Okay.
Because when you put it back together, this has to line up with your two tabs there and there inside the transmission. It doesn't look too bad in here. You want to pay attention to all the outskirts of the teeth on all sets of the gears.
Yeah.
You want to make sure that they still have the nice flat cut with the two grooves that you see.
Yep.
Here and here. You want to see that. I mean, not every gear is going to look exactly the same, but you want to see the same machining type of marks.
Yeah.
If you see anything abnormal from that, like this gear right here, I believe this is, I'm not 100%, I believe this is third gear, because we usually have a lot of third gear problems.
Yeah.
But on the very outer edges, you can start seeing the color just starting to chrome out.
Yep.
Once this starts to wear all the way out and rounds itself out, the gears are no good and you can't even reuse them.
Yeah.
But these still look good.
Well, in which gear, isn't one of these gears fixed to the shaft? Like,
this one right here.
it's the final one? Okay.
This is
Is that your final drive, or is that fifth gear?
This is final drive.
Okay.
Because this is your diff here.
Yep.
Which actually has another gear underneath it that operates the diff.
Mm-hmm.
And then I can't remember the whole order that they're all in.
Yeah.
I just remember that fifth gear in reverse bit is in the top. Fifth gear is your last gear inside here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
But fifth gear and reverse slide fork work together because you have reverse over here.
There's your little reverser. Which I will say, it's always been, you know, kind of fun getting into reverse.
Just gonna pull this out real quick and take a look at the synchro.
Okay.
Which the actual synchro is held in with this clip around the outside edge. Once you pull that clip out and you can slide. Oh, I guess you don't even have to pull the clip out. Okay, so I lied. But you can see usually when the synchros go bad, all of these teeth wear smooth. They smoothen out.
I got you.
And
you lose the knurling.
Yeah, you lose the the friction that it causes to grab and slow your gear down.
Gotcha.
So actually, we're just gonna leave all of this kind of how it is.
Yeah.
What we're gonna do now from this point to get the rest of it to where we can pull the differential out, take these 2 10s out, which holds your reverse lockout gear in place.
Okay.
We'll take that out. You can remove the reverse gear.
Yep.
And then we can just, at that point, take the whole tree assembly out, move it aside.
Awesome.
We'll pull the diff out.
Yep.
Get it cleaned up. And we'll show everybody what we're going to do with the welding.
Sweet.
Just like that.
All right.
Now we can take it. We're just going to lay it right here on its side.
Okay. Whoop.
Don't worry about that.
Hey. Look at that. Just palms it like a badass. There's the spider assembly.
Inside here we're going to be welding all 4 teeth together on both sides.
Hell yeah.
This is what creates your open diff. They make a $100 sandwich plate that locks all these into position, but we're just going to weld it because welding is way cheaper than $100.
Exactly.
We don't have another OEM LSD differential to just give Dan.
Nope.
And we don't have $1,800 for like a Quafe LSD differential.
Yeah, seriously. I've seen like some as cheap as $900.
Just depends on what.
And they were usually used. Like,
depends on what stage you want.
yeah, exactly.
If you want gnarly, gonna break your mounts in half, or.
Well, and that's basically what we're just stepping right up to. Is, you know, this is gonna probably hold longer than the mounts and the axles do.
Theoretically, as long as I get it welded good enough.
Yeah, exactly. Alright.
Well, it's better, it looks ugly, but those lockers ain't going nowhere.
Yeah, that's all I care about. No one's gonna see this except for the ones watching the video.
Even if the welds do break, there's so much weld up in between all them teeth that they ain't moving.
Oh my god, yeah. That thing's solid. That's awesome. Alright. No one said the welds had to be pretty. You just gotta hold.
Yep, now we just gotta let it cool off, get her cleaned up, re-lubed up, and we can start putting the tranny back together.
Yeah. That's awesome. Alright, so what's the problem we got going on here?
Down in here,
Yeah.
this is the portion that's holding us up from getting the casing all the way on. We got
Move your phone just slightly.
we have to spread this C-clip open
Yeah.
while we get the main shaft and bearing to slide up into the groove of the face of the casing.
Oh, okay. Hope that helps you guys at least a little bit if you come across this problem. But like we're pretty much there when it comes to mating the surface, but there's just that last like millimeter or two. It's ready to go. Got any final thoughts?
No more one-wheel feel for this guy.
Yeah! Yeah! I'm gonna spin both tires at the same time, and I'm gonna break an axle. All right, people, so you saw we got the transmission torn apart, got the differential out, Zach welded it all up, and then we got it all put together with a few hiccups along the way, but it's good to go. It's ready to be thrown in the new Prelude. If you guys haven't already, go check out Woodstock's channel. Give him some support. He's helped my channel a lot. So any way I can help him out, I'm trying to, because I got to show my appreciation somehow. But yeah, so go check out his channel. I'm Dan, the Prelude dude. That's Zach.
Woodstocks.
Woodstocks. This is the parts, guys. We'll see you next time.